Hey, what's up everyone? Today, we're gonna be talking about a medication that has been making headlines recently, Mounjaro. You might have seen people on social media saying things like, I lost 20 pounds using Mounjaro. It completely changed my appetite. Or it's a diabetes medication, but people are using it for weight loss. But many people still don't fully understand what exactly Mounjaro. Why does it help people to lose weight? Or are there any risks or side effects? We break it down, and by the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid understanding of the basics of Mounjaro and how it works. Let's get started. Chapter 1. What is Mounjaro? First, what exactly is Mounjaro? Mounjaro is a medication originally developed to treat type 2 diabetes. Its genetic name is terpastide. The medication was designed to help people manage their blood sugar levels more effectively. Now, here is an interesting question for you. Why has a diabetes medication become so popular for weight loss? The answer is simple. The researchers discovered that Mounjaro can lead to significant weight reduction in many patients. Compared to many older diabetes medications, its weight loss effects are much more noticeable. Another important feature is that Mounjaro is typically taken as a once-weekly injection. Instead of taking a pill every day, many patients only need one injection per week, making it convenient for long-term use. Chapter 2. Why does Mounjaro help people lose weight? This is the most important part of today's lesson. Mounjaro works by mimicking natural hormones that already exist in your body. Specifically, it acts on two hormones called GLP-1 and GIP. These hormones may sound complicated, but the idea is actually quite simple. Think of these hormones as your body's natural appetite control systems. Mounjaro strengthens the systems. So, how does it work? First, it helps to reduce appetite. The medication sends signals to your brain that essentially say you've had enough food. As a result, many people experience less hunger, fewer craving, reduced snacking, and smaller portion sizes. Second, Mounjaro slows down the emptying of the stomach. This means food stays in the stomach longer, helping you feel full for a long period of time. For example, someone who previously ordered a large meal may feel satisfied with a regular-sized meal. Someone who often bought burger and fries may discover that just a burger is enough. The key point is that people often eat less naturally without feeling like they are constantly fighting hunger. Chapter 3. How much weight can people lose? The next question is obvious. How much weight can someone actually lose? The honest answer is that it varies from one person to another. Factors such as starting weight, age, diet, exercise habit, or overall health can all influence results. Clinical studies have shown the substantial weight loss in many patients. However, there is an important misconception that needs to be addressed. Mounjaro is not a magic solution. People lose weight because the medication helps reduce calories intake by decreasing appetite. If someone continues to consume excessive calories, sugary drinks, and unhealthy food, the result may be much less impressive. The medication can be a powerful tool, but healthy habits still matter. Chapter 4. What are the side effects? Now, let's discuss an important topic, side effects. Like all medications, Mounjaro can cause side effects. Some of the most commonly reported side effects include nausea, stomach discomfort, diarrhea, constipation, loss of appetite. These symptoms are often more noticeable when people first start medication or when the dosage is increased. Why does this happen? Remember that Mounjaro slows down stomach emptying, right? Yeah, for some people, this can create feelings of fullness, bloating, and nausea. In their cases, more serious side effects have been reported. This is why Mounjaro should always be used under the supervision of qualified healthcare professional. It's important not to rely solely on social media success stories. While many people have achieved impressive results, every medication carries risk as well as benefit. Did you know some Japanese famous influencers went viral on a wrong promotion of Mounjaro that went on a fire a couple of weeks ago? The so-called Mounjaro controversy in Japan was not about the medication being illegal or unsafe by itself. Rather, the controversy centered on how the drug was promoted on social media and whether it was being marketed responsibly as a weight loss solution. Mounjaro was originally approved in Japan as a treatment for type 2 diabetes, right? However, some influencers and online medical services promoted primarily for weight loss, often using a message such as, I lost 5 kilograms in 1 month, or you should try Mounjaro, or it's an easy way to lose weight. Yeah, many healthcare professionals criticized these promotions, arguing that viewers might focus on the weight loss result without fully understanding the medical risks and limitations of the drug. Japan has strictly regulations about the advertising of prescription medications because this can lead to a broader debate about whether influencers should be encouraging the use of prescription medications to their followers. You know, the people believe it. Yeah, social media has a huge power to control people's mind. It can also expand beyond the medications itself. So, medical experts warned the viewers could develop unrealistic expectations if they only saw positive experiences without hearing from positive risk. The biggest issue was not Mounjaro itself. The controversy was about the influencers and businesses promoting prescriptions medications as if it were a simple weight loss product. The controversy eventually led to public apologies from some influencers and sparked wide nation discussions about the ethics of healthcare marketing and influencer advertising in Japan. Chapter 5. Is Mounjaro a magic weight loss drug? Let's finish up with an important question here. Is Mounjaro a miracle weight loss drug? The answer is no. It can be extremely effective too, but it's not a magic. The best results usually come when a Mounjaro combined with a healthy diet, regular physical activities, adequate sleep, and long-term lifestyle exchanges. Think of Mounjaro as a support system, not a replacement for healthy habits. When used responsibly, it can help people achieve goals that might have felt impressive before. Conclusion. Let's quickly review today's lesson. Here are 5 key takeaways that we have discovered today. 1. Mounjaro was originally developed to treat type 2 diabetes. 2. It helps to reduce appetite and support weight loss. 3. Many people experience significant weight reduction while using it. 4. Side effects such as nausea and digestive issues can occur. 5. It's not a magic solution and works best alongside healthy lifestyle habits. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a nice day. subscribe to If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a nice day.